Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop, and I'd like to talk a little bit of Pilates ergonomics. I mean the ergonomics of setting up your apparatus. Now, today let's play with your springs. I get to work with lots of people from many different styles of Pilates, and I see a lot of this, either straight leg, lean over and pull a spring out, or coming from the front to change your springs. All of these are really unsupported, not only on your back, but your shoulder and your arm. And if you're changing a lot of springs, well, first of all, I encourage you to have your clients change springs, and then to teach them this, and when you change springs, to do this too. Bend your knees and get one leg braced against your apparatus. Place one forearm against the mat, and then take the body of the spring, pull it forward to release the hook, and let it go. And that's how you change every spring, not from the front, not with straight legs and unsupported. Brace your leg and hold on to the body of the spring with your forearm against the mat or carriage, and pull out and either hook or unhook. So much better for your shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand, let alone for your back and hips. So take good care of yourself and be mindful of how you set up your springs.